Hello everyone. I just want to give an update on my truck solar powered system here. This is the Delta 2 Max 2 kilowatt battery from ecoflow. That's being charged from the main battery through this, which is a Victron 12 to 24 converter. So it actually pumps 15 amps into the ecoflow. Due to the fact that the ecoflow will only take it'll only take about, I think it's 8 amps, but it'll take it at a faster voltage from this. So that's why I got that hooked up. Then we have this hooked up to the main engine batteries. This is a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. So this will also charge, which it's doing right now. And in the future, we're going to add solar. So what does all this do for me? Well, up here, I've got my big Pioneer mini split system, 9,000 BTUs, with the unit mounted on the back of the truck. This battery will run that Pioneer the Pioneer air conditioner for about 12 hours, I found, as long as it's not too unbelievably hot, or it'll also provide heat as long as it's not too unbelievably cold. But this is the full setup. So we got 2,000 here. We got about 350 watts of charging ability here. Then this will take 2 solar inputs, which it considers this to be one of the solar inputs. I can hook a second solar input up to that. So that's what I'll be doing next, is getting some solar panels up on the roof. And don't mind the stains on the sheets. I eat my food here. So, yeah, this is the truck setup right now. And the solar is coming soon. So we got the mini split up there, the pure sine wave inverter that charges the ecoflow 2 Max battery, and then when I'm driving, this will charge the battery automatically just by the truck turning on, which is pretty sweet. I've got this cranked up to 30 volts on the output from a 12 volt input, so it really pumps the juice into this guy. Alright, man, I thought I would give everybody that update. You can see over here I actually have a power strip that runs right to it. Maybe you can see it. There we go. And my fridge is over here, of course, plugged in with AC the entire way into the power strip that goes into the Delta 2. So that's the setup. I think the total weight on this entire setup is less than 100 pounds. And for the most part, it's silent except for when it's on the fastest charging speeds. And this inverter will charge that battery in about an hour and 15 minutes, give or take. On the other hand, this will charge that battery in about 6 hours of driving. So if you start the morning and you're at 0% on the max battery, that will have it charged up by the time you are done with your day. And I think this is all you really need. So price-wise, this is $250. This is $250. This is about $1,400, and the mini split was about $750. So what's that bring us up to? $2,800, something like that, versus fixing the as you can see, I do have a Thermo King there. It is the biggest piece of junk ever installed on a truck, and I cannot keep it running for more than a month or two without needing some sort of repair to it. So I just started clipping all the parts off it, and that's it. All right, everybody. Thanks. Peace out.